Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Invest America. So if you're creating your account for the first time, then just follow along. First, visit the official Invest America sign up page and then select Get Started. Then you'll be asked to sign in or verify your identity using ID.me, which is used to securely confirm your identity before you can access your account. If you don't already have an ID.me account, then tap Create a Wallet or Create Account and enter your email address, create a password, verify your email, and set up multi-factor authentication. Next, complete the identity verification process by providing the requested information and a valid government-issued photo if required. And once your identity has been verified, you can continue following the on-screen instruction to finish setting up your Invest America account. And after your account is approved, you can sign in and begin managing your eligible investment account. So that was how to sign up for Invest America. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.